Let me tell y'all something about where I'm at right here. You know you in the right place when you walk up to the boat ramp and that brother right there is out there. We're gonna just follow him around until we find a catfish. Or any fish, really. Fins, I'll take it. Right place, right time. What you call prop sniffers. Can't be certain, but I bet there's gonna be a race. He's waiting for that boat right there to cross, and then it's gonna be blast off. We both going to the same spot. Do you have a AA battery? I got a pile of AAAs. I thought that's what it was. It's a AA. Whoo, Lord, they went a big one. Big shad, big shad. I'm lucky today. Fishing up here with my buddy TR, and my darn trolling motor remote control died. I need a AA. I've got a pile of AAAs.
I think I got a couple AAs.
Oh man. Never know what you're gonna see out here on the Chattahoochee River. There you got him in an airboat. GoPro, start recording. Pretty good takedown, but he's swimming right at us. Oh, he just got on a stump or something. What have we got? What have we got? Gar, thinking gar. Pretty good takedown, but he's swimming right at us. Oh, he just got on a stump or something. What do we got? What do we got? Gar. Nice. Barely hooked. Let me see if I can get my net on him. Don't know. Dang, that's a good one. All right, give me my stuff back, dude. Look at that belly, he's been eating well. There he goes. I think I've been recording for a while. That gar is eating that dude. Let's see if we can snatch his soul. How do you do? What's up, fellas?
Yeah, hang in there. Saw you had the pole bit, I gotta see it.
Ain't got whiskers, it don't count.
Oh, man.
Damn.
He done suckered you.
Yeah, he did. That was a good one, too.
That was.
Oh my gosh. I didn't get nothing. To add insult to injury, my chest cam I thought was rolling. Apparently I hit the stop button instead of the go button. I think I got it on my main camera, but the dang game warden was coming over there to watch the show because it was cutting up, jumping, tail walking, the whole 9 yards, man. It was awesome. And I was kind of halfway talking to them and letting the gar kind of settle at the side of the boat, and I could tell he was building up, about to jump. Literally jumped up, just its teeth barely nicked the mono above the weight, and it literally cut it. And then he sat here beside the boat for a second. I couldn't get my net on him.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, it definitely had April's trumped.
Oh my word.
Yep. Yep. But dang it.
Dang it.
I know it. I want a catfish so bad I can't see straight, and all I can find is a blasted gar.
Yeah, well, that would have been one worth getting in the boat.
Yes, it would have. The other one was nice. It was just, you know, long and skinny, but heck, dude, you know, at least something's biting. But there's bound to be a catfish mixed in here somewhere.
Oh, gotta be. I'm gonna play hopscotch with you here in about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm gonna give each spot about 45. I'm gonna hit that beside turn at 0.0,
Yep.
2.0. I'm gonna get below that island, kind of get them smokes a little bit and see what happens.
That might be a good spot. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, dude. Well, I'm licking my wounds.
Ah, well, good happens.
That's right. Bye. GoPro, start recording. She acts like I brought her up from deep. Belly's popping out. This almost feels like a catfish. Wow, look here, buddy. Oh my goodness. Out, man. It's actually a catfish. Acts like I brought her up from deep. I don't know how belly's popping out. Sorry, gal. Whiskers! Golly, her butt is blowed out, man. Slap full. I mean, I want to see what's in her belly so bad. It is like marbles in there. Dude. Well, anyway, it's a blue. All right, y'all. I've been out here and I've caught a couple of catfish. Had a couple of gar right here at the boat. But my brother TR just sent me pictures of 3 catfish. One was 30 pounds, one was 38. That's when you know it's time to go fish beside your buddy. All right, y'all. I may be a lot of things, but I'm not slow. TR has been whooping on these fish and sending me pictures of these big old monsters. So we just gonna slide up in here and join him. Let me show you where he's at. But I ain't gotta get too close to him, but I ain't gonna be awful far either. I told y'all I was gonna be prop sniffing at the beginning of this video, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Found a few fish along the way, but he's finding the big ones, and y'all, that's what we after. I'm happy to see some catfish again though. Pretty exciting.
I don't know. We'll see what he says when, you know, gets closer to time. But that might be something that he said he might want to do, which would be.
Let me call you back. Let me call you back. I got a pretty nice fish on.
Oh, bye.
Bye. Ooh, it's about time, and my battery's about to die, y'all. I think it's just in the current, but we got us a nice one. Finally got us a nice one. Yeah, not terrible, but darn sure not bad. Oh, finally got a decent fish, and I mean she is full as a darn tick. Yeah, baby. That gal, look at that belly. Jeez Louise, look at that belly. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Full of clam, full of mussels. Yes, sir. They do exist! Look at that. Right. Letting her go. Letting her go. Woohoo! There we go. Yeah, that was cool. Get him, boy. Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Oh, it's a nice flathead. I think I got a nice flathead. Heck yeah. One of my favorite colors. Yellow. Yellow. And long. We finally got some current on West Point Lake. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Woohoo! Yeah, yo. Look out now. Yeah, buddy. Woo, dog. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, wow. 22. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Yeah, that's a good flathead. That is a good flathead. Yeah, buddy. All right. That was fun. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Mmm. Woo! All right. It's 8 o'clock. I've had a fantastic trip. I know there's gonna be more fish biting. 8 o'clock, we're right here at the witching hour, but I think I'm gonna leave on a good note. I've caught 2 decent fish, 4 catfish, 2 gar. I think I'm gonna call this one a day, guys. I like to end on a high note, so that was a high note. 22-pound flathead, always a good time. My boy TR is still up there. He's gonna probably grind it out. He's already caught a 38 and a 30. Lord knows how many others. But I won't call this one a wrap. That was freaking awesome. Let's go to the house. All right, we're gonna leave them biting, y'all. I am turning the nav lights on. Headed to the house. And my boy TR right there. Appreciate him more than he knows. When he's catching, he'll let me know. When I'm catching, I'll let him know. But right now, it's time to go. I'll give you a beautiful sunset. All right, phenomenal day on the point. The point is one of these tough lakes to figure out. It's either hit or miss. Today, finally, after a bit of a drought, it was a hit. It's also good to have a network. My buddy fishing with TR and I was out there together, kind of tag teaming them today. By the time we got here, we pulled up. We was at church this morning and we were talking about going, but it was pouring rain and you just never know. But he and I think alike. Pretty simple minds. We're gonna fish when the sun's shining. So we pulled up at the ramp at the same time, went to the same spot to get bait, and fished at pretty much the same area. And I found some gar. TR finally found some catfish. He called me up, said, buddy, catch a big fish. And I'd caught a couple of smaller fish, but anyway, I went up there and joined him. So, hey, thanks for the support. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. For those of you who had, thank you so much. And for those of you who haven't that just like to watch it, thank y'all as well. Comment if you have anything to say funny, good, bad, different, or otherwise. Be glad to entertain your thoughts. Out can fishing. Peace out.